The if-then code construct lets you determine which code segments to run based on rules you define, but its syntax is a bit convoluted. If you need to run a brief segment, such as assigning a value to a variable based on another variable's value, you can use a case statement. The case statement is more compact than the if-then statements, and frankly, you're less likely to make mistakes while you're typing it. I'll show you what the code looks like, pressing Alt F11. As before, we're selecting a commission rate based on the amount of a sale. So we have the variable of total as currency. Again, we're looking at the value in cell C5, and we're assigning that value, the active cell's value, to the total variable. To begin a case statement, you type select case and then the name of the variable. In this case, it's total. At the end, you type end select. Everything else in between is a series of comparison operations so that you can decide into which case your data falls. So first, in the case where the value is greater than or equal to 10,000, the commission equals the total of the sale times 8%, 0.08. In the case where the value is greater than or equal to 1,000, the commission is calculated at a 6% rate, greater than or equal to 500, 5%, anything else, 4%. So you start out again with select case, the intervening steps, all but the last step is a case is step. And then the last step, which is sort of the catch-all, if the data that was input and that has been compared doesn't fit any of the other comparisons, then you have case else, and you assign it the last value. And my message box at the bottom is taking the value of the commission as calculated here, rounded to 2 decimal points. And I'll press F5 to run it. Again, the commission is $84.02. Select case statements let you evaluate a variable and take action based on that value. The easy-to-understand structure of the case statement lets you and your colleagues maintain your code effectively long after you create it.